In today's video, we're talking about Google Chrome, the memory-consuming monster that can slow down your system. If you've noticed your CPU usage is high or your system is lagging, it might be due to Chrome's heavy memory consumption. And now let's get started. Chrome, along with Apple, often tops the list of browsers known for their resource usage. Many users experience slowdowns due to excessive memory consumption, especially when multiple tabs and extensions are running simultaneously. But don't worry, I'll share a few tips to help you manage this issue. During the festive season or peak usage times, websites with heavy graphics or videos can increase the load on your browser. It's important to clean up your browser by closing unused tabs and disabling unnecessary extensions. If you're not using a feature, like video downloads or certain settings, disable them to free up memory. You should also clear your cache and close any background processes that may be using up your CPU. If the problem persists, check your browser settings and ensure it's up to date. You may also want to consider reinstalling Google Chrome to start fresh. For a smoother browsing experience, turn off features like fast startup or disable background apps that you aren't actively using. If your browser performance is still an issue, try closing unnecessary apps, clearing your browsing data, and reducing the number of active processes. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.